So can we fix this beat up old bumper guard for the back of the 52 Ford? At least get it looking somewhat presentable. Let's see. I'm just going to use a vise and some hammers. Okay, so we got it a little bit straighter than what it was. I still have this big dent right here I got to get out, because basically what that's doing is kind of misshaping the whole thing there. So if I can get that out or make it better, maybe I can try to get this part better. Okay, so I can't really get to this dent here because of this bracket right here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bracket out and then be able to punch that dent out as best we can, and maybe try to work this dent out right here, and I don't know, make it look a little bit better. It's not gonna be perfect, but just get it lined out a little bit. So I know it doesn't look good, guys, but you can see I really got a lot of that dent out of there. I'm just gonna keep working at it a little bit more. And then also, there's obviously a difference in shape here, so I'm gonna try to fix that also. Okay guys, so I went ahead and welded the plate back in there so we could bolt it to the bumper. And as you see, they're a lot closer to the same general shape as they were before, instead of being all twisted. And I got rid of the dent, like I was saying, close enough for what we're doing. It's going on the 52 Ford drag car, and the bumper is in terrible shape anyway. It's basically in these similar conditions. So, but yeah, it'll at least work for us. Let me know if you have any questions or any ideas or whatever, and we'll go from there. Maybe we'll sand them all down and paint some of that true chrome on there, or real chrome, or whatever they call it. But if I wanted to keep going, I could take the plate off of this one and knock this dent out too, and we could do a bunch of body work on it. But at least this one's straight now. So thank you. So people were concerned about not having bumper guards on the rear bumper of the 52 Ford in case we had to push it. So there they are. I don't know if we'll keep them on there or not, but at least they look halfway decent.
If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you.